Kritika ma'am will come by that time. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Project on, you have to make anything best out of waste material होता है ना घर में, उसमें से कुछ भी आप बेस्ट बनाओ, उसमें से कुछ भी आप बेस्ट बना सकते हो।
अच्छा, ओके मैम, मैम मेरे को तो बहुत सारी चीज बनानी आती है।
वेल डन, गुड। ओके, सो यू मेक इट नॉट नाउ, अभी घर में जैसे हल्ला नहीं करना, मुझे बनाना है, मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी एंड ऑल दैट डजंट शुड बी देयर, इट शुड नॉट बी देयर। ओके, यू हैव टू मेक, बट आफ्टर PT2 यू मेक। अभी फोकस ऑन एग्जाम। ओके, आप अभी एग्जाम में फोकस कीजिए। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। अपूर्व, यू आर हैविंग एनी इशू?
मैं आधा गोगरा खाऊंगी।
व्हाट इज दिस?
नहीं।
This Samiksha, you are audible. What you are telling is audible to everyone. आप जो बोल रहे हो सबको सुनाई दे रहा है। Okay, Apurva, are you having any issue? Apurva.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I am sharing the link with you. Okay. Good afternoon.
Unmute also. Ma'am, please unmute all.
Yeah, I will mute, but first let me share the link with you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Stop singing. I can hear you. Got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Copy this link and paste in the Google search bar.
How to copy? Ma'am, how to copy?
Select करना आता है
Ma'am,
आपको?
Ma'am,
जैसे ही उसके ऊपर चलो।
Ctrl C and paste in Google, Ctrl V.
Yes, then you आप सिलेक्ट ऑल कर लो। सिलेक्ट ऑल करोगे, उसके बाद गूगल सर्च बार में आप डालोगे तो आपका खुल जाएगा। ओके, Ctrl C करके Ctrl V पेस्ट कर देना।
मैम सबको ना अनम्यूट कर दो, नाम बोले बस।
वैभव, आर यू हैविंग एनी इशू बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you having any issue regarding that Google Forms?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so just copy and paste that, Vibhav, and then enter the Google Forms quickly.
फिर क्यों वहां से हट गई?
Ma'am, how
उसको क्या बोलते?
आप डायरेक्ट आपको टाइप करना आता है बेटा? You know typing?
Yes, ma'am.
जब जस्ट इसको देख के टाइप कर लोगे तो भी खुल जाएगा।
Okay, ma'am.
चेंज कर सकते हैं।
If you are having any issue, just tell me, okay?
पापा क्या कर रहे हैं?
अरे गेट बंद है।
बता।
नींद स्पाइको ठीक है मम्मा।
If you are having any issue, just raise your hand because I have kept you people in mute position. I will clear your doubt from there. And I can also check the responses from there, who are giving me the responses. Yes, Apurva?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am नहीं हो रहा है।
हो रहा है?
मैम मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को बुला दूं, मैम वो कर सकती हूँ।
सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट आप दिए हो बेटा? अपूर्व, आर यू देयर?
यस मैम।
आर यू देयर और नॉट? आप जो इसको पहले चैट खोलो, चैट में लिंक दिख रहा है, चैट में लिंक दिख रहा है, उसके ऊपर कर्सर लेके आओ,
यस मैम।
सिलेक्ट करो,
सिलेक्ट दबाना है मैम बटन।
सिलेक्ट ऐसे ऐसे करके ऐसे ड्रैग करोगे ना, ड्रैग मतलब समझते हो?
यस मैम। मैम कलर की लाइन आ जाती है।
ब्लू कलर की हो जाती है ना, ब्लू कलर होने के बाद उसको कॉपी करो।
तो मैम कॉपी कैसे करना है फिर?
उसमें ऐसे ऐसे ब्लू कलर हो जाएगा ना, ब्लू कलर हो गया,
हाँ।
उसी के ऊपर कर्सर लेके आओगे, एक बार क्लिक करो तो आपको कॉपी का ऑप्शन दिखेगा।
यस मैम।
कॉपी कर लिए?
यस मैम।
कॉपी हो गया। आप गूगल सर्च बार में जाओ
हाँ।
और वहां पे सर्च बार में उसको क्लिक करके पेस्ट कर दो।
पेस्ट कर। यस मैम।
हो गया? डन। अब एंटर मारो, खुल जाएगा।
यस मैम।
गुड। So start and filling the responses. I can check from here who are filling. One response I got. Ten responses I should get. If you are having any problem, tell me, okay? Yes. Samiksha, yes.
मैम वो जो
एक मिनट, 1 minute. You are not audible. Wait. Let me give you option to unmute.
मैम
Yeah.
मैम वो टूल बता रहे ना, वो टूल
Yes.
वो हैंड हो है।
आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, बाकी अभी एग्जाम दे रहे हैं ना बेटा।
ओके मैम। Zero 37379. Pick my dog. Pick my dog.
We will discuss after you just give the exam, then we will discuss, okay? Apurva, yes. Apurva, you want to ask anything? Yes, Priyansh.
पापा को वापस करना पड़ेगा।
मैम
Yes.
मैम जो मैं फोटो क्लिक करूं तो नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को फोटो।
फोटो क्लिक करो तो नहीं दिख रहा मीन्स?
मैम जैसे कुछ भी फोटो है ना, वहाँ पर फोटो को देख के समझ के करो, ऐसे टाइप वाला
हाँ हाँ.
वो नहीं हो रहा। फोटो क्लिक करूँ तो वो नहीं हो रहा है।
Is the problem that to everyone? Let me check. निश्चय.
Out.
Wait. Nischay, are you able to see the images? Then it is the Priyansh, it is the problem of your network connection there, because it is visible to other. Priyansh,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
मैम
Wait. Nischay, one second. Priyansh, maybe it's your network connection because it is visible to others.
यस मैम।
Okay, Nischay, tell me what problem you are having. Just wait 1 second, Nischay is asking. First, Nischay, tell.
मैम आखिरी का जो 10 क्वेश्चन है मैम उसके हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया मैम। उसके नीचे मैम उसको फिल करना है।
सबमिट आईडी डाल दो आप, डू नॉट चेंज लिखोगी तो भी सबमिट हो जाएगा। इफ यू आर सबमिटिंग योर आईडी आल्सो देन आल्सो इट विल गेट सबमिटेड। ठीक है, क्लियर? ओके, शौर्य व्हाट हैपेंड?
मैम आई गॉट 9।
कल नहीं है तेरे को एग्जाम?
You got? Okay, let me check. Navya, what? Any issue?
Can you share the link?
नहीं, give yellow color.
Want me to share the link? Okay, wait.
Next.
No, ma'am. Can you share? Can you type the link?
Oh, you want the link na? Let me share with you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Can you share
sending. Wait, sending, beta, sending.
Thank you, ma'am.
क्या क्वेश्चन देखने दे
Navya, any issue? Navya, not Priyansh. Any other issue, beta?
हाँ 2 मिनट रुक जा। फर्स्ट वाला पर समीक्षा, ये वाला ये
तो इसका
बता दी। द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग
Please keep the videos on, everyone. Apurva, Priyansh. All, please keep your videos on. I want to see everybody's face. Good. I can see Priyansh, Nishchay. Priyansh again gone back.
the process of making
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैं जब कभी चैट में जाता हूँ, अभी आप मैसेज भी जीते ना चैट में, मैं चैट में गया ना तो मेरा वीडियो ऑफ हो गया बता रहा है।
Okay.
मैम मैं वीडियो ऑफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
Okay. Got it. I can see you now, Priyansh. Done, beta?
और है जल्दी दे।
is in grass cultivated with edible cereals. मैं कब बताया इसको?
तो बताना करना।
Can hear who is that?
Lights are lentils are.
Samikta, is that you?
Ma'am, only 2 questions are left.
I can hear you better discussing, so please keep the volume low. Done? 6 responses.
आगे क्या लिखा है? क्या है इसकी spelling?
Okay, done. Is it done, beta?
Cereals plus pulses, fruits.
Everything is based on the last class which I discussed with you. Nothing extra I gave you. And I think this is easy for you people. Yes, Priyansh? Priyansh, what happened? Kavya, is it over? Kavya, is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya, I can see. Bhavya, Shaurya, Dhairya, Navya, Jain, Priyansh. Okay. Is it done? Yes, Nishchay. Wait. हाँ निश्चय tell.
मैम मेरा आपको मिल गया?
निश्चय ना?
10 out of yes मैम. मैम मेरा जैन निश्चय 4801.
Tell me your name, email ID.
मैम मैं आपको चैट बॉक्स में भेज के दे रहा हूँ. मैम
ठीक है.
चैट बॉक्स में.
Okay. Should I move to the next one? This is done because 9 participants are there and it should be over till now. Yes, I got Nishchay.
मैम कितने आए?
Wait, I'm sharing the results with you all. Done now? I'm sharing the results with you all.
Yes मैम.
Wait, just sharing the results.
हाँ.
You can see the result on the screen.
मैम
Who is that doing the annotation work?
मैम
Who is that? Samiksha.
समीक्षा जैन.
Samiksha, why you are doing that?
नव्या.
Stop this.
नव्या जैन. नव्या जैन. अरे यार.
Who has done that? Samiksha, I can see your name.
धैर्य, समीक्षा, नव्या.
Ma'am, I got answer 10 out of 7.
Why did you? I am asking why did you did the scribbling work on the screen?
मैम हमको हमारे मार्क्स कर दे.
आपने स्क्रीन पे स्क्रिबलिंग क्यों किया बेटा?
मैम मैंने अच्छे से मार्क्स नहीं देख पाया.
तो आप स्क्रिबलिंग कर दोगे?
मैम मैंने किया ही नहीं.
मुझे वहाँ नाम लिख के दिखा रहा है बेटा, वहाँ पे कौन एनोटेशन वर्क करता है. I can see the name of the children, those who are doing the annotation work. So please beware. ये सब नहीं करना क्लास में.
Yes मैम.
This is the last one, first and last warning. If I'm taking 2 weeks class, even in 3 weeks class, if I'm observing, I will not spare you. So please don't do annotation work here. If you want to do the drawing, you are having so many artwork copies and books you are having, there you do the work. Don't do on the screen. Because it is visible to others also. And this is not the logic that I was not able to see the show. I did the scribbling on the screen. गलत बात है बेटा, ऐसा नहीं करते. Okay. Now I will be just discussing the questions with you. Then I will move to the next part. Okay. So the first question which I asked is to name the spices. The first spices was cinnamon. It is called as dalchini. Okay. Navya, Molly, okay. Name first thing is called as, it is called as cinnamon. Dalchini bolte isko. Yes, Nishchay, what happened?
Ma'am, result?
Result I showed with you in the screen, na? Wait
Ma'am,
again.
so, ma'am,
I got it, Nishchay. You got 10 out of 10. You are the one who got 10 out of 10. Good. I saw. Okay. Next, name the spice. These are the, it is in Hindi, it is called as long, and in English, it is called as cloves. Okay, it is called as cloves. Then process of cutting the ripe crops from the field. It is a process of harvesting. Okay. For this harvesting festival like Bihu and all that is Baisakhi is also celebrated in India. Isn't that? And dash kills the germs in the food. Turmeric. In the last class, time I told you what is that it is having antiseptic property and it is very good for health. Okay, that's why it is used as a medicine for healing of wounds also. चोट लग जाती है तो वहां पे हमारे पुराने जमाने में हल्दी लगाया जाता था क्योंकि it is having an antiseptic property that it can kill the germs. Okay, next this is the, what is this equipment called? This is an actually called as rake. It is called not called as hand hoe, it is called as rake. Okay, and it is used for making the soils loose. खेती करने से पहले. Yes, Kavya, you want to say something? You want to say something, Kavya?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then the process of making soil loose by digging, that is called as plowing. This one. Okay. Then spices which are pungent in taste. Spices which are pungent in taste, that means iska smell बहुत तेज होता है. They are what your black pepper and red pepper. Because if you will have a sneezing. If you too much black pepper and red pepper are used, you will have a sneezing. That means it's pungent in taste. Okay. Then dash in the grass cultivated for the edible component of its grain. मैंने आपको बताया था लास्ट क्लास में, सेरिल्स एक टाइप के ग्रास होते हैं जिनका ग्रेन्स जो होता है वो एडिबल होता है. That is only we asked you. Okay, here the answer is cereals. Okay, that rice, wheat, all these are your cereals only. Then lentils. Lentils मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम बताया था, जितने भी टाइप्स के हम दाल कंज्यूम करते हैं, that are called as lentils. Okay, next. Harvesting machine which can separate grain from. Harvesting machine separate grain from what? Harvesting machine जो होता है वो धान in Hindi it is called as धान and in English it is called as husk. Okay, it is used for separating husk from what your grains. Okay, so this is the what you have to do in the MCQ of this particular chapter. Okay, is it clear? Understood? Is it clear to one? हाँ बेटा, I can see everybody's marks and I will share with your teacher. Okay, I can see and everybody's answer. Now let me go to that in the next class. If now how much time is left? Garbage. In your PT2 portion, you are having the next chapter as garbage management. Okay, the next topic is what your garbage management. If it is completed in the same way which I have taken Google Form test, in the next class I will take the test for this particular chapter. Okay, is it clear? Today how you have given the Google Form test? Yes, who has what, any issues? Wait, huh? Yes, Samiksha.
मैम मुझे स्क्रीन ठीक से नहीं दिख रही है, एकदम ब्लर आ रही है।
It is visible to everyone.
मैम बट मेरे को ब्लर आ रही है एकदम, और दिख भी नहीं रही है।
Is it not visible to anyone? Arush,
मैम
स्क्रीन दिख रही है।
दिख रही है और फिर नहीं दिख रही है, ऐसा हो रहा है।
ऐसा है? Is it visible to everyone?
यस मैम।
मैम मेरे को दिख रही है अभी, फिर अब क्या हो रहा है, फिर वो ब्लर दिखा रही है एकदम, और फिर वो स्क्रीन आई नहीं रही।
बेटा आपका नेटवर्क कनेक्शन चेक करोगे एक बार?
मैम
Sometimes it happens because of the network connection. Network connection weak हो जाता है ना बीच में, तो आपका ये जो visibility है वो बंद हो जाएगा
मम
यहाँ पे स्क्रीन में। ठीक है, एक बार नेटवर्क कनेक्शन चेक कर लो, because it is visible to others. Yes, now Kavya, what happened? Yes, Kavya. Kavya, what you want to say anything?
नो मैम।
Okay, now it is there. Next chapter is what your garbage management. Okay, garbage management. This garbage management, what you have to do? This is the garbage management. In this chapter, we are going to study, and the project which you got is also related from this best out of waste. Okay, that means in this garbage management, we have to we will learn how we are going to protect our environment from the garbage we human beings are spreading daily in the nature. Okay, so what it is there daily, every time we are using anything we are using in our home, some or the other garbage it is coming out, like from the kitchen garbage, like peels of vegetables, fruits peels, any like things are coming out. In our daily work, some papers or it's drinking cold drinks and all other wastes are coming out. So what are they? They are the garbage. And this garbage we are using in what we are using to we are used to throw it in the dustbin in our home. Okay, and these things which we have used and they are no more used to us, no useful to us, they are called as garbage. The garbage which is the things which are no more useful to us. ऐसी चीजें जो हमारे लिए अभी और कोई यूज की नहीं है, और वो हमको क्या, हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? गार्बेज। और उसको हम कहाँ डालते हैं? डस्टबिन में डालते हैं। ओके, वी आर throwing it in the dustbin. Okay, like empty match box, empty bottles, your chocolate wrappers, cold drink bottles, these are what your garbage only. Okay, अब ये जो garbage होता है, इसको हम क्या करते हैं? We are storing it our home? No, we are collecting it in the what we are collecting in the your dustbin, and then we are giving to the people, those who are coming for the what collection of the garbage. Okay, before coming for the collection of the garbage, you can see that the people who are coming for the collection of the garbage or waste from your home, they are asking you to separate it in the two dustbins like this, green and blue one. You have to separate them in green and blue green and blue dustbins. Okay, they have provided two dustbins, green and blue, एक हरे रंग का, एक नीले रंग का. The green dustbin is used for keeping the wet garbages, and the blue dustbin is used for making the storing the dye. Okay, आप जब ये कलेक्ट करते हो तो हमको दो टाइप का डस्टबिन दिया गया है, एक ग्रीन और एक ब्लू. ग्रीन डस्टबिन को दिया गया है वेट गार्बेज, जो गीला गार्बेज होता है उसको स्टोर करने के लिए, एंड द ब्लू डस्टबिन इज गिवन फॉर स्टोरिंग द ड्राई गार्बेज, यानी जो सूखा कचरा है वो उसको स्टोर करने के लिए रखते हैं. व्हाट इज दिस द नीड, व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ दिस? हम ऐसा ग्रीन ब्लू क्यों कर रहे हैं? ओके, वी आर डूइंग दिस एज ग्रीन एंड ब्लू बिकॉज some waste are biodegradable and some waste are non-biodegradable. Biodegradable का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the biodegradable? Bio means biodegradable, degrade means खराब होना, और biodegradable means जो अपने आप से खराब हो जाए नेचर में, आपको कुछ ना करना पड़े, automatically it will be. Navya, I can observe you बेटा. What you are doing? Navya, Navya, sit properly. Navya, sit properly, beta. Okay. So what it is there? What is the need of dividing these garbages into two dustbin? The need is that we some waste are biodegradable and some waste are non biodegradable. Means जो वेस्ट खुद से खराब हो जाए नेचर में उनको हम बोलते हैं बायोडिग्रेडेबल. ओके, वो जो वेस्ट नेचर में अपने आप खराब हो जाए, अपने आप मतलब रॉट सड़ना शुरू करते, वो क्या होता है? बायोडिग्रेडेबल. जैसे कि हो गया आपका पील्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल. जितने भी ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट है, ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट मीन्स जो नेचर से आते हैं, जैसे पील्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल हो गया, एनी अदर थिंग लाइक यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम व्हिच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम योर किचन, दैट आर बायोडिग्रेडेबल waste. और वो in nature it rots by itself and it's making a useful thing called as manure. Manure means खाद. Okay, in Hindi it is called as खाद. Okay, and it is good for plants. In YouTube and also you can everywhere you can see that manure in our home only we can prepare from the kitchen waste. All the kitchen waste we are collecting and we are converting it to the manures, and these manures are good for the what? Plants. Okay. Yes. What happened? Okay. Non-biodegradable means maybe waste means those waste which are not rotting, जो खुद से सड़ते नहीं है, उनको वो क्या होता है? नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. जितने भी प्लास्टिक वेस्ट आप यूज करते हो ये सारे के सारे क्या होते हैं? नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल होते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? So there are two types of waste. There are two types of waste, that is what? Wet waste and dry waste. Okay. Wet waste and dry waste. Wet waste we are collecting in the green color dustbin, and the dry waste we are collecting in the blue color dustbin. And the wet waste are generally biodegradable. It should contain what? Vegetables and other waste. And this particular blue color waste is what you are for dry waste, and it is usually containing the other waste like your plastic bottle, plastic bag, polythene bag, and all that. They are containing in the blue color dustbin. Okay. और ये इसलिए किया गया है ताकि जो when you are separating these garbages in the two dustbin, so that it will be easy for them to separate the garbages and make a useful product for them. So as soon as you are giving that particular people the garbage in the this green color dustbin, they will collect it in a separately. They are collecting them in the separate way. Okay. And then they are taking this garbage and taking for the further process. If it is a biodegradable, they are using it for making manure, and if it is a non-biodegradable, you are taking it for recycling. You are taking it for recycling. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have black attachment.
What happened?
मैम मेरे को टेस्ट में नंबर 7 मिला है.
बेटा मैंने सबका नंबर देख लिया क्योंकि वो एक्सेल शीट में मेरे पास आ गया है वो नंबर. ऑल एवरीवन सबका रिपोर्ट मेरे पास है. आई कैन